Hey guys, what is going on? I know it's been a while. Today we are finally going to work on the Jeep. We are installing the dash lights to LED because my dash lights are going out. So let me show you. So let's go ahead and turn on the dash so you can see. Well, it's actually hard to see because it is daytime. I have this area of the dash that is out. So to remove the dash, first thing you have to do is remove this plastic here. I'm actually going to put the steering wheel down just to help me out. But this just pops up. Pretty simple to do. You don't need any special tools there. Pull out towards you as well. That's how the clips are set. See, there we go. We need a Phillips screwdriver. There is 4 screws, one down here, one over here, one up here, and one up here. I got all 4 out. Now we just have to pry this off. The easiest thing to do, put your fingernails on this plastic piece on the bottom and kind of press down and it'll open this top area. Now you can pull it out. Simple to do. Now here for the fun part is trying to undo this plug and pull from the plug itself, not from the wires. And it has a little clip on top right here. And there we go. So now we have the dash out. For the lights on the dash, you will want these T5 bulbs. I got these off of Amazon and I'll have them linked down below. They come with a little plug so you can just put them in there and twist it on. These actually come in a bunch of different colors. They come in white, blue, green, red, whatever you want. I chose to go with white because I just want a clean look. I feel like the red or the blue, I don't know, not for me. But if that's something you want to do, it is possible. So the brand that I bought them from are CCIYU, and they were only like $10, so not expensive. All right, so you're gonna want some needle nose pliers, and these just twist right off. There we go. So these are the old bulbs here. So that is the old bulb compared to the new bulb there. So let me turn it on. That's pretty bright. That's pretty good. I'm happy with that. So the T5s actually fit in the old plastic holder, so I think I'll just use that. The only thing that I would recommend is these copper tabs. Bend them up if you're gonna use the same original ones, and then you just line it up and twist, and that's it. And one thing to watch out for is this pin. See how it's off to the side? Just move it over, or else you would probably have connection issues, so just be aware. So one thing to actually watch out for is the orientation of the bulbs. You might have to take them out and flip it over. So before we put it back in the Jeep, we're gonna test it and make sure everything's working. All right, so I got them in. My Jeep does not have CAN bus, so I don't know if these are for those type of Jeeps, but I did use 17 of them. So if you order the lights, make sure you get a 20 pack. You'll have a couple left over, which is a good thing. So now let's go back in the Jeep, plug it in and turn it on and see how it does. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug it in and see how it does. I don't know if we'll be able to see right now because of the sunlight, but let's check it out. Turn signals are freaking bright. Those are bright too. Okay. So what I did read online is that these do have a film inside, so the white light might actually look kind of blue. So yeah, it does look a little bit blue. Okay, I'm just trying to see. So I noticed from here on this way, the lights don't turn on. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip them, and hopefully that does it. But there you go, you can see the difference. It is blue, I don't mind it. It's not like a super bright blue, it's just like a light blue, so it's okay. And I did have the issue where a couple of them were off. All I had to do was turn them around, put them back in, and they worked. So we are good to go there. Now it's just time to put it back together. So to put it back together, I already have it plugged in. Now we're just gonna slide it back into place. Make sure the hole's lined up. Okay, so it is nighttime now. For some reason, my ABS light is on. I guess the bulb was probably out, but anyways, here's what it looks like. And it's not super bright. It's actually, in the camera, it looks way brighter than it is in person. It looks like how it should be on the dashboard. It's not blinding me. It's like a really light blue, so I like the color. I think it came out perfect. Even though I wanted them white, the blue is fine with me. And it is definitely way brighter than the stock, but it's not like blinding or anything. It's like perfect. All right guys, so that was an easy install anyone can do with simple tools. All you need is a needle nose and a Phillips head screwdriver, which you can get at Harbor Freight or whatever, or on Amazon. These lights, all of them work for me. There was none of them that were burnt out. I did have to change the lights around for some of them that didn't turn on. Pretty easy to do. Now the dash actually lights up. I had some bulbs that were out, so it looks way better now. If you haven't already done it, do the LED mod to your dashboard. Also, if this video helped you, share this video with a friend because that'll help me as well. So please share. And thank you guys for watching. Peace.